Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I want to discuss with you something very interesting, something that a lot of you have been trying out recently is AI-based image generation and AI-based image editing. So a lot of you have been using Google's Nano Banana to achieve this, but I want to share with you a relatively new model that has come up, and it's by ByteDance, which also happens to own TikTok. The name of the model is Seedream 4.0. So if I show you some capabilities of this model, if we come to this, so let's say I own a brand logo which goes by the name of Green. I can use that brand logo over multiple products using a single prompt and a single image. I can remove subjects from the images. I can edit, text from the images. I can also, change the whole subjects, keeping the background consistent. But one of the most striking features of this, model is generating text which is accurate, right? Most of the models that you see around often hallucinate and, give text that often overlap or don't even make sense. But this one does it perfectly fine. So let's just give it a shot. This model is usually available with APIs. It does not have a chat interface right now, so that's why we need an N8N workflow to, actually get this running. So let me share with you a prompt, something like this in a handwritten journal style. Create a three-step tutorial diagram for making lemonade, right? So let's just give it a prompt and we push it. So this workflow can either create images for you or it can edit images. So we are trying to create image. So it has gone this way where it is waiting for 30 seconds. So 30 seconds is also a very less time for any model to generate an image, and that too perfectly with all the text and everything. So usually it does it within 12 to 15 seconds. I've still given it a buffer, right? We get the image, we download the image, and once the image is downloaded, it is uploaded directly to my drive so that I can keep it, I can persist that image, right? And I can also respond, like the chat will respond to me with the URL. So this is the URL that I got. Let me just copy it and paste it. As you can see, it has given me a really nice image with all the illustrations and text, right? This looks very interesting. Now, let me go back. Oh, let me do one thing. Let me download this image. And what we can do is now try to edit the image. Let's just say, I'll open it and I'll tell it that make the images as 3D icons. So what I want is that these images that I see here should be 3D icons. That would look good. So let's just see. For this one, it's waiting for around 45 seconds. Editing usually takes a little bit more time, but considering the model is relatively new, it is doing that within like under a minute is pretty amazing to me, right? You can, again, you can edit the image, you can get the edited image and download the image. There's a workaround for this one because we are using like PDFs can't be directly uploaded to the FAL AI service that I'm using. So we have to make it into a URL. So I'm using imagekit.io for this one to get the URL for the PDF that I'm uploading, the image I'm uploading, right? Once that's done, again, it will be uploaded to my drive and I'll be able to see that in the chat, like whatever link for the PDF is there, I'll be able to see that. So let's wait for 1 second. It's almost completed. And yeah, by the time I was talking, it was done. So let's take a quick look at this. Amazing. As you can see, the 3D icons look really good and it has kept the consistency of, the text and everything, whatever was there in the last image, right? So this is really amazing to see. And if you want this workflow for yourself, you can, again, comment down AI below and I'll be sharing this whole workflow with you for free of cost. And you can access this and get this running for yourself. I've also added the steps that are required to set up this workflow so that it can be easier for you to get started with this. All right. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye.